What's up? It's your girl Nemo, joined today with Michelle. And we are going to be trying the butterfly cut. She is wanting some layers and curtain bangs, so let's see if we can get that accomplished today.
Yeah.
So last night I watched the Brad Mondo tutorial on how to do this, so that is what I'm going to be following. And yeah, basically we're going to put it into two sections, one from here to the apex, which is the highest point on the head, bringing it down, making a little knot right here, and then pulling the back up and bringing it to the top of that. So,
Gonna be a unicorn.
basically. So yeah, we're gonna start there. Alright, and you said to tie it up here, kind of just between the eyebrows. He also said for it to be damp. He said it was very important. And then in the back, we do a high ponytail.
All the way to the apex.
Yeah, all the way up to the top.
Time to start cutting.
Alright, and we want to cut about the same amount from the bottom here as we do from the top section. So we're doing like between 4 and 5 inches from the very tip, because the tips are a little straggly already. So now I'm going to do the same amount from up here. Alright, the cuts have been made. Let's bring it down and blow dry it to see how it looks.
My hair feels short again. It's last one, yeah. So I'm gonna show you before little art piece.
Okay.
My hair is a little bit shorter, but I mean it'll always grow back, so.
Well, you knew that was going to happen.
Yeah.
But like you got the face framing pieces just kind of tapering down.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want them shorter or no?
I'll see how it looks whenever it's blow dried.
Well, here it is. I feel like we definitely could have gone shorter. The layers are still quite long, but it looks good. It looks more, what's the word I'm looking for? Like a light. Her hair is very thick naturally, so the layering definitely helps a bit with it, making it more
easier to manage.
Yeah, easier to manage, and I feel like there's a word I'm missing.
Want me to pull up a dictionary?
No. I can't think of the word, but there's a word I'm trying to figure out. Anyway, the front She's got the curtain bangs. They're still very long. We may do this again in a couple of months and maybe go a bit shorter next time. But this is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.